So, this news today, it will go for our African brothers and sisters living in the diaspora. My brothers and sisters, during this time for lockdown, so many things don't change. They let people they not see. This country is moving from analog to digital. Oh yeah, we not see. We never see. Offices they close, shop they open, school they go. Why? Good question. Give a ring a bell for your heads. Because you see, some people them, you go for office now, they don't go attend to you. Waiting. They say contact us by mail. That's it. They will tell you to contact them by mail. Or that you call us on phone. They'll give you a phone number. You call, nobody is attending to you. You call, nobody is attending. But you write at times or attend to you. That is to tell you that something is happening. Yeah. Something is happening. All schools are open. Shop offices are locked. So I just came to tell you that now is the time for you people to think. Make una think, you know. Lockdown no mean say make you sit home and you watch Nigerian movie or home movies the whole day, browse on your Facebook and WhatsApp. No. Make use of that time. Some of you used to work 12 hours, now you just work 4 hours. Make use of the 4 hours. Like most people, the way you think say Dutch is a problem for you. And you never ever get opportunity for good learner. Now that's the time for you. Put some time and learn Dutch. If you don't want to go to school, online courses and do it if you do want. Right in your own, at the comfort of your house. So let us use it. I'll give you an example. Some of you spend hours to take letters, to go out for people to read. You know, you go to social counselors to read your letters, write your letters. It takes time. You come back from work, you are broke, but you still have to do it because you have a deadline. Why don't you think you can make time now and you study something and avoid all those time wasting? How many hours do you put a day to meet people to help you? Even though you came back from work, you're tired, you need to go out there and do something. So think. Think. Most of the time, you go to the social office, they'll tell you that submit this document on this specific day. You come home, the document is there, you don't know what to do. You need help. And unfortunately, most of these offices, social offices, that are being supported by the state, now most of them are closed down. Just few of them. Some of them that used to attend to 500 people, now they need to attend to 5,000 people. So if you have a deadline in 2 days, you will not be able to meet up because you need to wait. You need to wait for long. And you know how the system works here. Immediately they give you an appointment, you missed it, they have another way of punishing you. Maybe they were supposed to pay you in some money, they will push it maybe for 2 months. You know, psychological frustration. You'll be frustrated psychologically, but you don't need it. Now you have the time to get over those things. Make time, read, learn something for yourself, you and your family. Don't stay in a house where you can't help your child can't help you. No, challenge your children, challenge your friends, tell them that you have the time now. Use the time now and grab something. We live in a country where there are a lot of facilities, but we ignore it. We say we are living in Europe, but all the facilities are there, we don't have access to it. We don't acquire it, we don't grab it. We live in a country where if you show interest in education, you'll be pushed. They will support you to get yourself educated. But if you think life in Europe is just like you sit in you come, you have an apartment, you make 2 children, and you have some social support, you work at the end of the month, they put some money in your account, you slot your bank card, remove money, you go and you play your jangi, and you go to Western Union, you send money, the rest you buy some nice dresses and you post on social media. You are in Europe, you are fooling yourself. It's just your body that's in Europe. Your whole, the inner part of you, or your thinking, your reason, all is in Africa. So So my brothers and sisters, I have come to encourage somebody. Come out of this backwardness. There are a lot of facilities in this country. Stretch your hands out there and grab them. Especially now that some of you have lost your jobs and you stay at home. Don't just waste the time at home. Use the time to learn something for yourself, for your generation, for your children. You understand? At least educate yourself such that you can give your child, a basic education. Not that, a total stranger is going to educate your child from basics to everything. No. So let's get up. We are sleeping. We Africans, we are sleeping. Make use of this. You see, a lot of Europeans, they are working from home. How? You can do that too. Just try to challenge yourself. You will see that you make it, my brothers and sisters. So I've come to tell you that this lockdown period or this corona period is not a total loss. Some people are doing great things with it. Some people are learning. They are changing the narratives. So try and do something with your own time. If you have the time, use it. Have the time, make something out of it. Don't waste your time watching movies the whole day, browsing and making calls because you have free calls. They will not take you anywhere. You need yourself to be educated. Today people will be helping you, writing letters, doing this, and tomorrow will be like a mockery to you, but you can come out of those things. I don't have a problem with those who are not really educated, but if you're educated and you have the opportunity, my brother, now is the time. Don't complain that you work too much. Nobody is working too much now. I know few are working here, but not everybody is working that too much. So you have the time that you can make something out of your life. You can grab something new. You can get something new that you never thought of it. So my brothers and sisters, I've come here to encourage everybody. Let's get up from our slumber. The system is changing from analog to digital. So try to digitalize your system too. You understand? There are a lot of people, they stay in Europe, they don't have an email. It's funny. You understand? It's funny. How do you communicate? There are people, if you give them a phone to call an office, they can't call. Which language are they going to speak? Is it Bangwan, Bakwere, Ewondo, or Ometa? Which language are they going to speak? So my brother, challenge yourself. Learn the language. Germany is not like in America and London. That in English, you can speak your the language is totally different. Try and sacrifice some time. Learn something out of it. Get the basics of German, that you can help yourself around. You can do some of your things. You get stuck, maybe someone around can just help you. Not that you need to spend 3 hours to go and look for solution or things that you would have handled them. Just sacrificing 2 hours of your day, every day, 5 hours a week, to learn a language that you can pick something out of it. So my brothers and sisters, I wish in the near future we will not see black people saturating social counselor's office for help. We need to get out of that. That makes the people control your system. Everybody knows what is happening to you. Anything that is happening to you, you have to sell it out. But that is not what you want. Most of the time you don't want it, but you people don't think. So let's try to overcome these things. Let's try to overcome them. Try to educate yourself, to empower yourself, so that you can jump past all the steps of life that they are at times very, very frustrating. I will not talk so much, but I think the message is out and clear. Let's educate ourselves. You that you don't have the German, make time and learn some German so that you can handle your affairs smoothly and perfectly. For those who don't know about communication, take time. Know that so many free online courses in YouTube. Learn even German. You just get a basic IT knowledge. You will know how to open an email, how to write, things like that. So please, let's do something for ourselves. It's not like you have a Facebook account, somebody opened it, created an email for you, and you don't even know how to log in. Things like we have a lot of people outside there like that. So let's try and jump up past. Understand? Me, I be Tori Master. I not feel like when I tell una things wey go change for my life. So me, I be the only Tori Master for the whole Western Hemisphere. So make we stay blessed and stay safe.